Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is news agencies. Today we will discuss about news agencies. The big international news agencies produce material that is republished all over the web. Put their offerings can be merged on their own websites. The leading American news agency is Associated Press, AP. Short form is AP, which traces its roots all the way back to 1846. AP doesn't offer a lot at its corporate website, but you can search its very latest headlines and find full stories for some of them. It's far better to access its recent content via Google News or Yahoo News. That way you can find a whole month's worth of AP articles and read them all for free. The other American news agency, United Press International, UPI. UPI has a much more generous website with lots of full content available. Its archived stories can also be read for free and the material goes back several years. Particularly interesting is the audio archive, where you can listen to annual year in review highlights from UPI radio starting in 1959 and going up to 1994. There's also a Spanish version of the UPI website. UPI recently celebrated its 100th anniversary, having been in operating since 1907. Next is Reuters. Reuters is the largest British news agency, but was founded by a German called Paul Reuter in 1851. Incidentally, the original name of this seminal figure in the world of news was Israel Ber Josaphat, and his father was a Jewish rabbi. One of the modes of transmission used by Reuter was by carrier pigeons flying between Aachen and Brussels. Reuter soon started using the newly invented telegraph and relocated to London. Reuters has a very good web presence, offering 16 regional editions and with extensive content available. The last 2 months of stories, photos, and videos are searches and can be read and watched for free. Reuters currently offers 18 RSS feeds and 9 podcasts that you can subscribe to. The French Agence France Presse (AFP). The French Agence France Presse (AFP) is the oldest news agency in the world. It was started 1835 in Paris as Agence Havas, and one of its early employees was a certain Paul Reuter. Today, it is one of the 3 largest English language news agencies. Together with AP and Reuters, its website offers nothing in the way of news search. AFP had a long conflict with Google and withheld its content from the Google News search engine for several years. Nowadays, they are on more friendly terms, and Google hosts AFP content. So, Google News is a good place to search for and read AFP stories from the last 30 days. Its articles in French are available through the Google Actualities search engine. Germany's biggest news agency is Deutsche Presseagentur (DPA) and was launched in 1949. It has news service in German, English, Spanish, and Arabic. It doesn't provide any search facilities on its own websites, but its content is indexed by Yahoo. Nachrichten. You can enter DPA as the source in the advanced search form and search for DPA articles from there. Of course, DPA is also syndicated to many of the German newspapers, and its stories are republished on their websites. Another big German news agency is Deutsche Despensedienst (DDP), which was started by former UPI staff in Germany in 1971 and latest incorporated the state-controlled East German agency ADN. DDP stories can also be found using Yahoo. Nachrichten and the abbreviation DDP can be used in the source field to search for them. The official government controlled news agency of Russia is ITAR-TASS. It has a long history going back to 1904 when the St. Petersburg Telegraph Agency was set up. It has gone through many name changes and survived the Soviet era as the Central News Agency. ITAR-TASS has a news portal in English that offers a lot of material and a search engine that will let you retrieve stories going back a year or so. The articles in English as indexed by Google News as well. An independent non-government Russian news agency that produces high quality material is Interfax. Starting from 1989, it provides deep coverage of Russia, its Eurasian neighbors, and China. Thank you.